Hi and welcome to our channel Digitech Genius. We are in the series of tips, techniques, and smarter ways to handle the Excel and make our life easier. So now in this episode, we'll be talking about the more techniques how we can make the Excel life easier. So for that one, to start off with, we are going to talk about hiding a text in a selected areas. For example, if I want to hide this one, this selected areas, normally people what they do, they put any colors, or they maybe delete that one and then maybe they put white color in it. So sorry, white color in the font so that it will not show, but this is not the right way to do that. So to find out the right and the smarter way, what we have to do, just select the area, the cells which you do not want to show, you want to hide that one. Click right click on that one and go into the format cell. In that one, go into the customs and then over here in the type, just three times mention semicolons. So as soon as you mention this one, it will be hide. If you saw on the top over here, it is the data is still present, but now it is not showing under the in the view side. So that is the technique, the first technique which we can use to make your life easier. Now, coming back to the other one, I'm just making it undo so that we can have our data. Now, what I'm going to do is how to, we are talking about how to copy paste without any copy function. So it is very easy. For example, I want to just copy this one data into the some other cells. That is very easy. You do not need to just copy and paste that one. The other way to do that, just select the whole data and drag into the other areas, like for example this one, so that easily you can bring the data onto the other side. Now coming back to the to other activities on the third tip. In this tip, which we are going what we are going to do, we are going to talk about how we can transpose the data. One way is to use the transpose function, but another way is this, that you just select the data, control plus C for copying the data. For example, I want to put it over here and transposing it. Transpose mean that I want to convert the columns into the rows, and rows into the columns, so that once I come here in the paste function, you'll find this way. Over here there is a transpose function, you can click it and it has transpose your data. So that is easier. So that was the third technique. Now, in the next technique, we'll talk about how to remove the duplicate data. For example, over here, if you see, there are some data which is duplicate, but I want to remove that duplicate area. So for that, just select the whole area over there, go into the data tab, and then there is a button for the remove duplicate. So as soon as you click it and says OK, it has deleted the duplicate area. So that's basically the simplest thing. I'm making it undo, and we are going to the final technique for our video. And for that, what we have to do in this one, we need to put up the blank rows after each and every row. If the data is smaller like we have right now, it is easier, but maybe we can just select each every row, insert the row, and it will be done. So that is easier, but for the whole row, sorry, but for like this one, for example, the entire row. So once you do it in the entire row, it will be easier. But if we have a large data, so how can we do it? So we have a simpler way to do that. And for that one, what we'll do, we'll put up over here the numbers, like for example 1, and then we'll add up the number by putting the formula 1 2 3, and then we'll drag it till the formula till the last one. So it has given you the 17 value, and we'll put up some name of this column. Well, for example, we'll say workout. We have put up the workout. Now after that, what we will do, we'll just select this whole one, put the filter function over there on the top, and also just copy down the same thing and paste it here. So 17 on the top, 17 on the right, and then we'll just put it uh, in the filter function. We click over here and we click on smallest to largest. As soon as we do it, the whole in the whole data there is there is a gap in between the every row. Now after that you can easily delete that one, and it will not affect the selected data over there. So that's the easiest one. So that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video with us again with the new techniques. Thanks a lot. Keep watching Digitech Genius.